Hello everyone, welcome back to Triple Girl Tech. It's Angin here, and thank you so much for tuning in. As always, I'm not alone. I'm joined by two amazing girls. Say hi, Miss P and Nisa.
Hi! Hey everyone! Super happy to be back on the podcast.
Hi guys, hope you are all doing well and ready for today's topic.
And speaking of ways, today we're talking about something we deal with every day: digital literacy. Simple part is about critically understanding online information.
It's such an important skill now because so much of our lives happens on screens.
Totally studying, shopping, socializing, entertainment, and everything.
Let's start with the first challenge: misinformation. Miss P ever expired it.
Definitely, a few months ago, I saw a viral TikTok saying a certain food product was banned because it was poisonous. Everyone freaked out, reposted it, and warned their friends. But when I checked official news website, it turned out to be outdated and taken out of context.
That happens also often. Sometimes content goes viral not because it's true, but because it's dramatic.
Exactly, that's why digital literacy requires us to pause and verify check the data. Check the score, check whether it's backed by evidence.
No, before believing anything, I compared information from at least two credible sources like verified accounts, trusted news outlets, or official institutions.
And we also have to be aware of bias. Some posts are designed to provoke emotion, not inform.
Right, just because something has millions of views does not mean it's accurate. Viral does not equal valid.
So, rule number one, don't just consume information, question it.
Now let's move to something super important: online safety, Nisa.
Okay, so last week I got an email saying I won a free vacation and needed to click a link to claim it. It looked real at first, but the sender at the address was suspicious. So yeah, phishing attempt.
Scammers are getting smarter, and sometimes their messages look like it.
That's why we need strong password, two-factor authentication, and caution with link or download.
And we also need to stop oversharing. Some people pass their home address, school location, ID card, even flight tickets with realizing how risky it is.
Yeah, even harmless photo can reveal personal details in the background.
Digital literacy also means respecting other privacy. Don't share someone's photo, chat, or personal info without permission.
And remember, once something is online, it's hard to remove. The internet never trying to forget.
Exactly. Being safe online is about being paranoid is about being aware and intentional. Now, onto the last point, digital well-being, because yes, the internet is fun, but I can also be overwhelming. Miss P, how do you handle it?
I set boundaries. For example, I avoid checking social media first thing in the morning. And during meals, I keep my phone away so I can actually enjoy real conversation.
I turned off unnecessary notification and honestly life feels so much calmer.
Good idea. And we also need to remember that social media is real life. People only share their best moment.
Exactly, comparing ourselves to perfectly edited photos can damage confidence.
And if sometimes online makes your action or insecure, it's totally okay to mute, unfollow, or text breaks.
Yes, digital literacy also includes kindness, empathy, and respectful communication. Cyberbullying, hate comment, cancel culture, those things hurt.
Behind every screen, there are a real human with real feelings.
At the end of the day, technology should support or reverse not replace them.
Well said, healthy tech habits are just as important as digital skills. So today we covered the important aspect of digital literacy. 1. Read and evaluate online information critically. 2. Protect your privacy and personal data. 3. Maintain emotional balance and kindness in digital space.
If we practice this, the online world becomes safer and more meaningful.
As technology, recently do not let it control you.
Thank you so much for listening to Triple Girl Facts. Stay smart, stay safe, stay curious. See you in the next episode. Bye, everyone.
Bye!